Hi, today we are going to show you how to change the light on our van. First things first, we have to open this cover. So we've moved this cover to the side, and we have to remove this plug that attaches to the light right here. Ooh, there we go. After you took this plug out, you have to remove this flange right here. There's a pin here. If you press it, then the pin will come out.
Yeah, see, the pin came out.
Next, we can take out the bulb. We got a new bulb. Do not touch the bulb itself. You hold it like this. Here's the new bulb. We put the bulb in, and we also put the pin in. We have to put the flange back in. Flange is now secured. Now we'll plug the plug into the bulb. There we go. Turn on the car and check it. You turn on. Huh? Turn on the lights. Both of the lights are equal. See now, the light is fixed. Put the cover back and put the screws in. The screws are secured, and that's how you fix car light.